My tiger can say with both, con las dos. Hola, María. Hola, María.
Hola.
Ah,
Hola.
¿dónde está María? Acá está. ¿María? Acá está. Acá está. Qué lindo tu oso. That's a really nice bear. And it has many colors. Tiene blanco, rosa, amarillo, marrón, negro. Okay, what do you see here?
I see the school bus and the bus driver bunny and the mouse and the bear and the cat and the penguin and the fish.
Ah, perfect. A lot of animals.
And outside.
Do you know how to say those animals in Spanish? The one that says, las ruedas del autobús, the wheels on the bus go round and round. That one. Do you know it in English?
No.
No. Okay. I'll teach you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12?
10, 12, 10, 1.
No. 11, 12, 13, 14.
14, 16, 9, 12.
Okay. No. Don't worry.